Okay, with all of these channels, with all of these mix buses, and with all of these features, video and above, our philosophy has always been to provide the user with a tactile control surface. And that can be anything from a really large, wide mixing console with lots of faders, lots of knobs and switches, all the way down to a little desktop system called the Xynergi. In fact, we've actually integrated the Xynergi control panel into all of our mixing consoles. And this is a fantastic tool that actually economises your workspace so that you can actually sit in the sweet spot and do all of your mixing and processing in one place. So to talk about the Xynergi control surface, it's back to you, Cliff.
Hey, thank you. What we've got here is basically a USB keyboard on speed. So I've got, these keys are designed, patented, all by Fairlight down in Sydney. They're very unique in that we can display icons and GIFs. We can even display little video clips in the keys. The keyboard is OS aware, so it knows that if you bring up a different language, it'll change to that operating system and display that character set. You can launch other applications, so if I launch WordPad, the system's application aware, so it knows that now I need a QWERTY keyboard, and I can type on this keyboard like I would a normal keyboard. And you can thump these keys away all day long. They're very robust and sturdy. But within our own application, we use what we call mega modes, and we've got 6 of them. We've got project, setup, monitor, editor, mixer, and record. And as I change those mega modes, you can see the keys around change to show the menus available within each of those mega modes. So how's that useful in the real world? Well, the first thing I can do is I can arm my tracks, put my music stem into record, and the first thing I'm going to want to do now is to name that stem. So there's a button here marked name clip. As soon as I press the name clip key, it presents you with a QWERTY keyboard, and I can type in music. When I hit enter, it immediately goes back to the record mega mode where I started.